Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Throughout history, humanity has feared only one thing: those who are different. Different faces, different cultures, different ways of living. But I want you to imagine something even more different. What if suddenly the world had no borders, no countries, no dividers? And it wasn't just humans, but we live amongst orcs, elves, and dwarves as well. Would that world be peaceful, or would it be chaotic? Good day, honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nadisa Maharani, your favorite public speaker from SMPBPI 1 Bandung. Today, I invite you all to ask yourselves a simple but interesting question. That being, if we truly lived in a unified world, would we still maintain our sense of self, or would we let go of it? As characters, orcs, elves, and dwarves have their own identities, cultures, backgrounds, just like we do. And if they lived together with us on a united world, side by side, what would that look like? Just think about it. Would elves have to give up their affinity to nature? Would dwarves have to let go of their skills and craftsmanship? Would orcs have to hide their strength and loyalty? All of that just to fit in. And we must ask ourselves, if we were in their shoes, would we do the same? Ladies and gentlemen, we often think that unity is about becoming the same. But is that really true? Because I know, deep down, a lot of us fear that in a united world, we might lose our sense of self, our cultures, our identities, our sense of belonging, the things that make us, well, us. But let me tell you this. Unity is not about sameness. It is, however, about connection. The beauty of a united world comes not from everyone being the exact same, but from everyone being able to connect with and understand one another. So elves can still have their affinity to nature. Dwarves can still build with pride. Orcs can still protect their communities lovingly. And humans, we can learn from one another. Of course, unity isn't always easy. Differences can cause misunderstandings. Misunderstandings can cause fear, and fear can cause distance. But the problem doesn't come in our differences. Rather, they come from how we treat them. Instead of distance, we can choose kindness. Instead of fear, we can choose empathy. And instead of prejudice, we can choose acceptance. Ladies and gentlemen, this may seem like a tale about fantasy creatures of orcs, elves, and dwarves in a hypothetical situation. But really, it's a tale about us and our world today. A world that is becoming more and more connected day by day, where identities, cultures, and people become more and more intersected as time goes on. And I'm sure in this world, we are all asking ourselves the same question. Can unity still exist while we maintain our sense of self? And maybe, just maybe, that world isn't impossible. Maybe the answer could be yes. And so, as Michael Jackson once reminds us, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for a living, make a better place for you and for me. So let us not fear a united world. Let us create one and embrace it. Because the most powerful unity comes from not everyone being the same, but for everyone belonging and being who they are. Because there is always unity in diversity. I am Nadisa Maharani. Thank you for staying with me, and see you soon. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.